नमस्कार, आपका हमारे चैनल पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इन लास्ट लेक्चर वी हैव स्टडी अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। सो टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज ओम्स लॉ। तो व्हाट इज द ओम्स लॉ? ORR, व्हाट स्टेट ओम्स लॉ? सो फॉर द कंडक्टर, ओम्स लॉ इज अप्लाइड फॉर कंडक्टर. So for the conductor at constant physical condition, as like temperature, pressure, etc, the current is directly proportional to voltage. कहने का मतलब ये है कि कंडक्टर के लिए अगर हम टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर को कांस्टेंट रखते हैं या टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर या किसी भी तरह के कोई भी फिजिकल चेंज ना करें, तो जो अगर हम जो वोल्टेज अप्लाई किए रहेंगे और जो हमको करंट मिलेगी, दीज आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. ओके, सो व्हाई ओम्स लॉ अप्लाइड फॉर ओनली कंडक्टर, नॉट सेमी कंडक्टर और इंसुलेटर? तो दैट मीन्स कि फॉर द कंडक्टर ओम्स लॉ इज टोटली अप्लाई. फॉर द इंसुलेटर it is in the insulator no current is flow. So here no discuss about insulator. But for the semiconductor, Ohm's law applied for when electric field is 10⁻⁶ वोल्ट मीटर -1. कहने का मतलब यह है सेमीकंडक्टर के लिए यहाँ तक अगर आपका वोल्टेज है तो फिर क्या होगा, ओम्स लॉ अप्लाई होगा, अदरवाइज ओम्स लॉ अप्लाई नहीं होगा. तो दैट मीन्स कि ओम्स लॉ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक in the physics or play important role in the physics in the field of current electricity. So again we can discuss about Ohm's law for conductor at constant physical condition as like temperature, pressure, etc. The current is directly proportional to the voltage. So what is the mathematical form? That means we will discuss how the current is directly proportional to the voltage. That means I is directly proportional to the voltage. Directly proportional to the voltage, ORR, we can write V is directly proportional to I. Okay, it is our proportionality sign. When proportionality change in equality, we can write a constant. This constant name is resistance. It is denoted by R. R into I. It is our Ohm's law, where V is the voltage applied across conductor, R is the resistance, I is the current. So we will discuss this Ohm's law according to a figure. Let me consider it is our conductor. Let me consider its length is L, cross section area is E. It is our copper. So we applied a battery that have the voltage. Maybe it is variable battery. It's a voltage. अब हम देखेंगे कि we have applied a voltage V across the conductor. So a voltage V is dropped at the end of conductor A and B. या P and Q. P and Q के cross a voltage V is applied. Okay. Before applying the voltage, the atoms of the conductor is randomly moved. due to thermal energy. But when you apply a electric field, then all electron is move in same direction. Let me consider it is our electron, it is move in same direction, this is our direction. But before applying the electric field, these are moving randomly due to thermal energy. So these electron moves toward negative to positive. Okay, let me consider it is our negative pole, it is our positive pole. Electron is moves from negative to positive. So our conventional electricity is move from positive to negative, because the direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of moving of electron. So our direction of current is positive to negative. So a voltage V is applied, so a current I is making. So according to Ohm's law, the V, here we will discuss I is directly proportional to V, V is I, V is equal to R I. These R is the resistance of this metal. How can it behave as a resistance? Because the atoms, the ORR, the electrons are strike to another electron, or when it is go from this end to this end, it is so many times is collide in the so many electrons. So this energy is losses. This losses energy is become in the form of resistance. So this is behave as a resistance. Sometimes a important topic is that it is in this motion a drift velocity. Drift velocity become, here we will not discuss about drift velocity. In next lecture I will discuss about what is the drift velocity. So V is the voltage, I is the current, R is the resistance. No change in physical condition, that means no change in cross section area, no change in length. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I, V is equal to I R. Okay, V is equal to क्या है हमारा, V is equal to I into R. What is V? V is equal to voltage, I equal to current, and R equal to resistance. Okay, now we will discuss about now again we will discuss about graph of Ohm's law. It is very important. What is, we will take about a graph. It is our x-axis, it is our y-axis. The independent variable take on the x-axis, it is our V. V is independent variable. I is current, it is dependent variable. Let me consider it is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me consider a conductor. We take a conductor that have the resistance R1 and we applied a field V and we take a current I. Let me consider V is applied field and I is our current. According to figure. Now we will discuss about a figure. It is our conductor, negative positive, okay. It is our current, it is our I, it is our voltage V. Let we consider V is a voltage. Let we consider V is equal to 1 volt. Okay, current becomes 1 volt, current becomes 2 ampere, milliampere. ये ORR एम्पियर ही ले लिया जाए. Now 1 volt. Again we increases the voltage, it becomes 2 volt. Then the current we find, current is 4 ampere. Again it becomes 3 volt. It becomes 6 ampere. So what is the resistance? R. R is equal to V by I. R is equal to V by I. Then यहाँ पे कितना होगा 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, and that is equal to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. That means कि these values are is same for each experiment. When voltage becomes 1 volt, becomes 2 volt, becomes 3 volt, so our resistance becomes same. Let me consider it is plotted in our graph. It is our 1 volt, current becomes 2 volt. देखिए ग्राफ, it is our 1 volt, current becomes 2 volt. It is our 1 point. When voltage becomes 2 volt, current becomes 4 volt. It is our 2, it is our 2, voltage it is our 2, it is our 4, it is our 4, it is our 4, it is our 3, it is our 6, it is our 6, it is our 3. If we meet these points, we take a straight line. This is straight line so that current I is proportional to the V. Okay, so graph of Ohm's law is straight line, not a curve line. Okay, we will discuss about this V, I, R. Let me consider it is our graph. Now